The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Austin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, central Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:49 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Prairie View to near Pattison to near San Felipe, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southeastern Conroe, Katy, Tomball, Jersey Village, Sealy, Prairie View, Brookshire, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Pinehurst, Northside, or Northline, Spring Branch North, The Woodlands, Greater Greens Point, Spring, Aldine, Eldridge, or West Oaks, Spring Branch West, and Addix Park 10. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern Texas.